everyone, it's Jacinda from the Customer Success Team here at Mouseflow, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite tricks to spot and prioritize the issues that are happening on your website quick and easy. So if we come down here to our Friction Insights dashboard, I'm going to come all the way down to our elements with the most click friction. You'll have options to choose from here, but many times with click errors, we don't know if this needs to be escalated urgently or if this is something we can kind of put in the backlog to be revisited at a later date. So I'm going to come here and I can see that we have a few click errors happening on our cart page on one element in particular, and it looks like there is another error message that we can see here, uncaught navigation halted due to click error. To me, that's a little bit serious if that's happening on the cart page. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to watch the sessions right away to see can the end user notice this issue, or is this something that's just happening in the console log? So after clicking on watch sessions, we can go ahead and begin to spot patterns. These are all sessions where only a click error happened on that element on that page. So I can look to see if there's a pattern between the location, the device type, if, maybe the browser type, for example, or even the referrer. I can see here for this user in particular, we have a click rate and a click error, and typically I don't like to see those two together. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to play the session here. I can begin to just watch the entire session by clicking play, or I can come over here, hover over the element, and I can go ahead and click it, and it will bring me directly to that. So I can see that the user tried to click this button several times, and there was a click error associated, and they were not able to move up to the checkout. So this would be an issue I'm escalating right away. So I can come here to the top right. I can go to share session. And then I'm just going to copy this URL and put it within my Jira ticket for my development team to go ahead and watch and see what needs to be fixed exactly. Additionally, what you can do as well is you can go ahead and we can even save this and create a notification in case the release it's not fixed all the way, or if we're noticing that more people are encountering it and we need to do an immediate fix right away. And we can do this via a Slack channel, email, or even a Microsoft Teams channel. Well, I hope you guys will find some benefit out of this. And if you have any questions, feel free to hop over to the Help Center or contact support@mouseflow.com.